So here we are up near the ranch, well, next to the structure. Right here I'm explaining the design pattern for the new chicken coop build and the area that used to be the greenhouse. We're gonna remodel that, reuse that. Yeah, and then we're gonna put this up there, build some pallets, stack it about yay high. And then get some PVC to kind of loop over into the other one to build like a hut type thing, like a cage. It's gonna look good. Of course, we had to break down some pallets to get some extra wood with the help of my lovely wife Alex in her beekeeper suit. Checking out my door frame. I think I did pretty good. It's gonna be a top and a bottom hinged door frame. First we got paint.
Alright, it's time. Painting the chicken coop, the outside of it. Wait, let me zoom further out. The outside of it, hopefully I could just get at least one coat done today. All the way, and then Tony's gonna be putting some hardwire cloth here at the bottom so that way any predators don't try to come in and get them. But otherwise it's done, right? Just has to be cleaned up. And
top door and that one side over there.
ladies are in their new spot, in their new home, testing it out, trying to see if there's any weak spots. Oh my goodness, what y'all doing? It's so much space, huh? There's so much space for you to do things. That's the new solar door. Hey Bernice, I don't even know who that is. I'll be honest with you, but I gotta make their little signs this weekend. Okay, so Tony put up some of my painted signs. Thank you. Excuse me, Mr. Crow. So this is the chicken coop sign. Over here to the right is a prayer for our ranch. We got this one right here. Oh. We got this one, which Price Road. Welcome Black, and also WPR Ranch Boulevard.